They have improved my science foundation by giving me a lot of notes that I used, as well as telling me a lot of the common questions, as well as answering structures.
Other than Teacher Fabian, I think we also signed up for Teacher Joe's additional classes. So I think with the help of two of them, probably assisted in his results.
It was very fun, as well as exciting. I like doing the experiment, as well as the booklet at the end of the lesson. To break up the difficult concepts into easier things to understand, as well as make acronyms so that we're easier to remember. Teachers at Bluetree are a lot more friendlier and also easier to contact if I have any questions that I need to ask. I think they're all very exciting as I can work with my classmates and just be more creative.
Because actually sister is also previously from Bluetree and so were two of my other friends' kids. And plus it's conveniently located at our house. Probably I think because of the certain workload that he's given, so he has to be more disciplined to complete his task by the end of the day before he goes for his lessons. I think Teacher Fabian is someone that we should thank, because whenever there's doubt, we just need to actually send whatever question they have, and he's always quite prompt to actually reply.
I think my open-ended questions have improved because of all the answering structures and the keywords that I need to use, which help me to get better points in each question. It gets me more used to the common questions, so if they come out during the exam, I was more used to answering it, so I could answer it without having much trouble. Yes, I would. I think the teachers in Bluetree are very kind and nice, and I think it really helped them to improve.
P5 really recommended a few of his friends over Bluetree, and I think they already signed up with him.
I think just don't stress it, just do what you usually do and be consistent and go into the exam without much stress. Thank you for helping me in my journey, and I hope that I'll get to see him again next time.
Teacher Joe and Teacher Fabian did a great job and always answering to our questions whenever we had, and they are quite prompt and with their replies.